found this amazing place in Seoul, and the name of the place is Dream Forest. So right now just walking around and this beautiful nature, you know, our people are just enjoying and having fun, you know. So just see behind, so nice, so nice. Ladies and gentlemen, today's video is an amazing one. I'm taking you to Dream Forest. Dream Forest is in Seoul, Korea, and the name in Korean is now north of Seoul. So Seoul Kumi Soup. Seoul Kumi Soup. So that is the name in Korean, and it is perfect place for hiking. Families come here to hike, to spend time together, and there are many resting places. So I just had to go a little bit far because at this point I'm maintaining a social distance with people who are here, and also I'm not allowed to have my mask on. I'm not allowed not to have my mask on while here. That's why I have to be a bit far from people. But the point is, if you need an amazing place to hang out in autumn, then you have to come to this park for sure. It's so big, and right at the beginning of this video, I just give a rough idea of what I'm gonna have as the contents or part of what's going to happen. So what I'm trying to say is, at the beginning of this video, while I'm standing here without my mask, I'll just be talking about what it entails in the park. It is amazing for hiking, as I said. It has cool tanpung, that is the autumn the falling of leaves. It's a bit pretty right now because it's autumn in Korea. And around here there are many people, so I'm not allowed to walk around without a mask. But now, because I'm taking a video and I want to show my face, I decided to be a bit static. As I said yesterday, static, not moving. And the rest part of the video, or the remaining part, is going to show what is entailed in this park. So enjoy and prepare as you come to Dream Park in Seoul. Bye. So you can see the beautiful lake, a small lake over here. There are birds. It's not a bit clear. And people are walking, people are having fun, sitting and enjoying with families. And it's a very good place for hiking, as I said. Down there, you can see the blossoming. Not blossoming. I don't know why I'm confusing between spring and autumn. You can see the fall colors. Some of them fell. This one here already fell, but these are still pretty. So just follow me as I go around the park. I should go this way, I think. Yes, it's fun. So after this, I'll just find some cool place, buy one cola. I'm not drinking beer. One cola, sit and enjoy end the day in style. Yes. Maybe it has a good view of the park. I don't know if the sun is going to affect the camera view, but I think it's not going to do that. So let's go up. Let's go up. Oh my god. Yeah, I think it's going to affect, and this is not going to be a bit clear. Maybe it's going to have another view of Seoul from this other side. Yes. What did I find here? The forest. The forest is here. Yay! The forest is here. The dream forest. Should I just hike? No, I'm not gonna hike. I'll walk a little bit. I'm so tired, you know. Wow. Yeah, I think this is gonna be my end point because I'm not planning to do hiking today. Guys, I didn't have any plan to come to the forest. Okay, the name is Dream Forest, but I was just looking for the picnic area, hiking area. But yeah, you see how I'm breathing? This is similar with forest in Kattee. Kattee is where I come from. And I love nature. I'm so happy, and yes, there's a good view of Seoul over there. It's not a bit clear, but yes, I'm in the north of Seoul. The forest is here. If you see my videos when I went to Malaysia, there's no one here, so I'll have to put my mask. I went to Malaysia, forest in Malaysia and other countries, and the experience was super amazing. You can see what's happening. Wow. With my bag. This is amazing. It's a bag that I've been using for a long period of time. When you see me in my videos, then you can tell. So guys, this is the place. I have, from this point, I don't know if it's going up to some mountain or something. It is written Set Kilpieshil. Set Kilpieswe. Set Kilpieswe 뭐야? 이거 포레스트 가는 길 아닌데? 그럼 조금만 갈게. So this is the dream forest I was talking about. I'm not going far. I will just return. But the more I go in, the more I get the vibe. The vibe is here. The vibe is here. I'm alone, without masks, and no people around me. Only one hiking, and sorry, I'm moving so fast the camera. I'm the only one in the forest. You can see with the sunset. I don't know if I'm going to get a good sunset view later. And this in Korea, we have this. 네. 안녕하세요. There's an old man there. So you can, this water here, if you go to forests or parks and see this I saw this in KLCC park, you can drink this kind of tap. It means that you can drink the water. So when you press this, the water is going to be like that, and you put your mouth and drink. It's safe for drinking. I saw the old man over there. Where is he? He's walking. So this is for exercise in Korea. I'll put my camera over here so that I can show you what actually happens. What actually happens here when you're doing hundong in Korea. Undong is exercise in the forest. So I don't know if you can see me. I don't know if you can see me from a distance, but I'll show you what happens. You know, like here in the forest, there are many systems and apparatus that you use. This is especially for exercise. You know, like most of the time you just go here. You don't need the gym. You just have to flex your leg. I think my camera is not in good position over there. I'll try to place it here again. I don't know. This should be fine. Yes, that's perfect. So I'll start with this one. How do I do this? It's a bit hard. Oh, I have to go inside. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Failed shilpe. I wanted to show how they do the exercise. The instructions, you see, when you see here, you'll be told how it's supposed to be done. But right now I'm not here for exercise. I'll have to put my mask on because I see that people are coming in. Yeah, and I can't go further. I have to go back and show you the park. So yes. So maybe another day when I come for hiking, or I come with my badminton stuff, I will play here. But today I'm not in the mood of doing exercise. I was just coming to see what this area, which vibe it has. Yeah, because a place has more vibe. I love it. I mean, the place has more vibe. It's good. Yes. So let's go back down. I'm not going further. I have some energy to do it right now, but I have to get back to the house later in the day to prepare dinner. To shower, prepare dinner. No, dinner, then shower, then sleep. Which way is this? Should I just first some chirim kill? I've got to get lost inside here. Yeah, I saw some way. I'm so fast, sorry. I'm so fast. Yeah, I'm doing. Or which way I'm following. I'm taking these paths. And I think it's illegal. It should be illegal. What am I doing? You know, like in Korea, we're not allowed to walk by these paths, which are not marked. But because I'm an African and we've been walking in forests, I'll just do this. Break the rule for once. Otherwise, rules are meant to be broken. Damn it. It's illegal. Oh. Damn it. I got it. So this is the way I was talking about. Yeah, when you're hiking, I'm going down. Wow. Yes, I found this way. I'm super fast. Forgive me for that. Yeah, I like exploring places super fast because it helps me to cover a big area. basically that was the first part of the dream forest, and I will just get back to where I came from, buy a drink, and if there's something that I by any chance I didn't show because I was in a bit hurry, if by any chance there's something I didn't show, then I will definitely have to show when I get back in that direction. Behind me, I think you can see, and the mat is right in front here, so let me get the mat and see how things go. They have the mat is here, so the far hand, so I will get myself some good drink. Yes. Oh, ice cream, Manigo. What can I buy? So this is the drink section here in Himad, and I'm gonna get watermelon. No, I think I'll take juice. Tomato. I'll do tomato. Yep. So this is what I'm having. It's a nice one. Tomato, 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 tomato. So I got tomato, 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 tomato. So I think I did I made the perfect choice to get this drink. It's amazing, you know, like when I take this somewhere, you know, like I'm going to find a cool place to sit, I will feel good. I'll feel good. Yes, I'll feel good. Oh, there's a cat here, a black cat. Amesemanga popote popote panapaka haufai kumchezea. Popote panapaka haufai kumchezea. Medali. Popote panapaka haufai kucheza. Kuna medali kama hiyo, I was just kidding. So almost there. I'm super fast because like it's getting late. I have to get to the house and tell you and do what I told you before. So let me show the front part. Front part is here. It's amazing, and you have cafes. There are many cafes, but I'm gonna do my tomato as I said before. Yes, I'm over repeating myself, right? Sorry, it's because I'm still really very new in this YouTube field. So basically you expect a lot of problems in these first videos. This is the place I told you can take water by in there, and because I'm still a novice or an amateur, it means that I have to make mistakes along the way, and I'm gonna rectify them. You know, like you start small. You can't just start to be a star at one time very fast. Now it takes years, months to have something amazing. So you just have to bear with me. First I will go to toilet and gonna record down. So this is the place, and we're expecting the cherry blossoms to continue. Yes, not just the fall. It's not the cherry blossoms. I keep confusing between cherry blossoms and whatever. What's the name? Fall. Yeah, I'll come and sit there after a while, just behind there. So I'm getting out of the park. Not really getting out. I'm getting out of the park. I saw something here. Yeah. So I think we should explore this place. It's amazing one as well. If I don't explore, then it's gonna be a big huge problem for me, because I can't go to a place and not fucking explore. I have to just get inside and see what's happening. So this is it. This is it. So this is it. Oh, amazing. Wow. It's kind of Korean Jutek. I mean, I would love to understand what's happening. I saw this in Andong. Yeah, let me see what's here. Oh, it's so nice. So it's an ancestral shrine. So it's some ancestral shrine. So maybe I'm not allowed to go in. But yes, this is how Korean and the Johnson dynasties and other places used to be long time ago. So this is an amazing one. The buildings the kings used to sit in, and I mean, when it was cold and everything, that's how they used to eat. Use this house, maybe use this house to eat the whole system, and the floors are going to be hot and they can manage winter or anything. I don't know. I have to do further research about this. Yeah, I'm not going in because I've seen many of these. And next time, if you want me to explore some ancestral shrines and such places, ask me to make a video, and then I will do that. Yeah. So I've explored all the places in this park, and now I'm cutting shortcuts. I'm going out of the park. Yes. These are going to forests. So I know that the forests are the same. Just pretty the same with the one I showed you up there. I can't go in now. So the park is here. So guys, that was all I had to show in the upper side of the park. So right now I'm just going to the entrance, and you'll see the I saw you symbol. It's so big. I'm gonna share it right now. It's not that big, it's a bit small. And other side it's like that, but I have to go this way. So I'm gonna show you what's happening here in a few. And there are no water fountains. I told you it's because of COVID. Yes, see, it's because of COVID. There are no water, no fountains. So it's a bit dry. I don't know why they do this, but yeah, it's amazing. It's still amazing. It's beautiful. That is the park I came from. The park, I'll say park because I went to the park more than the forest, but it's a dream forest. And this is what you have always, and it is always in our hearts, so that we love Seoul. I saw you, and I saw you. And until next time, feel free to contact me. So yes, I saw you, and that's the entrance of the park. So guys, that was it for Dream Forest. I had to show you what's happening over here. I did a very comprehensive video. I showed you all that I could, and I explored all the places in this park. I didn't go deeply into the forest and the observation decks, but next time when I come here, I'll do that. Don't mind about my hair and everything. It's just because I do me, I do real me, and my videos are gonna be real. I don't fucking care about people. No. It's just going to be me and true me and what I do for life. I did it super quick. If it was a bit fast, please bear with me. That was it for today, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.